So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. This is going to reset the Microsoft Store. Wait for this to load. And now we can close this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. You're going to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. You just want to copy this. So you can right click on the white tab on the top, and then click on Edit, and then click on Paste, which will then paste it in, and I'll click on Enter. And then once that's loaded up, you're going to close out of this. And now you want to head over to search again, and type in Microsoft Store. You want to right click on it, and then click on App Settings. And now you want to scroll down, and then click on Terminate, and then click on Repair. Wait for this to load. See if your problem has now been fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you want to click on Reset, and then click on Reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once it's loaded up, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.